So today we are opening a package from Leaf and Clay, and this is an online store that I've heard a lot of good things about. I've heard that the shipping is really nice, especially, and that they don't ship with dirt, so they ship bare root. You call that one. You don't have dirt with it. And I've heard a lot of good things about the company, so I figured I would do an order. As usual, it's mostly Haworthia, but I'm pretty excited about it. So that's what we're doing today. It did ship, I guess, fairly quickly. Once I got the UPS confirmation, it came a lot quicker than I thought it would. So that was exciting. The estimated delivery, I think, was Tuesday, and then it came Saturday. Right, so I have the shipping sheet, and I'll show you what it looks like on the inside. Packaged really well, and each one is individually wrapped, so I imagine this is going to be really nice. So I'll do close-ups as I'm going through all of it. Here we go. Already, I really like how they package these because, you can see that they're very likely not damaged at all, but they're also like individually wrapped gifts. So especially if you're getting this as a gift for someone else, just the presentation of it makes it exciting compared to a lot of other companies. To open. Okay, so this one, and I love that it's covered in babies too. That's always fun when you have a plant and you get bonus plants around it. So this is the Horthia mirabile Spondula. I don't have one of these yet, but I do love the way they look. You can see that they're really dense rosettes. These ones almost don't even look like rosettes along the side. They're kind of just lined up. But I also really happen to like that look too. So I'm excited about that one. A little small, but I really like that one. So let's open up this next one here. Looks like we're probably going to have some with 2 plants in each. What is this one? Okay, so this one is the mystery plant that I bought. And I'd actually been wanting to get another one of these. I was thinking about doing some like Christmas decorations with one. It's a Horthiovertusa. It's a zebra wort. And this one looks really nice. So I'm happy that this is the mystery plant. That's funny though, that I was just looking at these yesterday actually, or 2 days ago. 2 days ago. So I'm happy with that as the mystery plant, and it does go well with the rest of the plants that I have, since again most of them are Haworthia. So this one looks like it's a double. Yep, I got 2 of the plants in here, 2 pretty plants in here. A little bit of soil though, so it's a little messier. The more soil it is, usually the messier they look when they come out, but I don't mind. You can just shake them off and then they're good. So this one is the one variegated one that I got. Let's get the dirt out of there. A little bit of perlite stuck in the leaves. But this one's the Horthiovertusa, Okumenada, Varicata. And I really like the white stripes going along that. Let's get some of this a little cleaner. There we go, so you can see it a little bit better. So this one's really pretty. And it's a little baby on the side there. And it looks like there's a little baby that snapped off also. So that'll be right there. A little extra one on the side. So I never really mind when that happens also. I'm sure that'll grow roots quickly. I do have one leaf that fell off, but we'll see if we can get any root growth on that. All right, just clean this up. Move some of these over so you can see it a little bit better. This one is a little bit smaller too than I imagined, but it's a Horthia Emilie, I believe that's how I pronounce it, major. So this one is really textured. So actually I'm going to have another Haworthia Emilie in here. This one is more textured. It almost looks hairy, but I kind of like that look. On the website, that one did look like a little bit more of a reddish color. I actually have another one that is redder than that, but it's still a pretty plant, so I'm happy with it. And we have 2 more. little gift packages. Let me clean this up a little bit. There we go. All right, so second to last one here. A few more plants I'm waiting on, especially an Echeveria. I think this one might be the Echeveria. My daughter loves Echeveria. Yep, so I'm sure she'll love this one. I've been looking for a blue one with a little bit of like purple tips. So this one is an Echeveria minima. And I just really liked how it looks. Oh, nice little baby on the side there too. So that's exciting. Got some little bit of dried leaves on the bottom there, but you know, that's normal. You can just pick them off. I'm sure once I water it, it'll be fine. But that one's a good size, so I'm happy with that purchase. And we're on to our last package already. So much fun opening all of these up. It just really feels like individually wrapped gifts, which is nice. Which makes me already want to order from them again. All right, so we have our last two in here. All right, we'll save that one for last because that one was the one I was most excited about looking at. Get some of the dirt off of this. Obviously, it's much cleaner than had they packaged it in full soil. So this one is the Haworthia Chocolate also. So a little bit of texture on the leaves, but you can see that it's far less than the major. Oh, another little baby in there, in between the leaves. That's nice. So this one will be dense. The rosettes usually stay pretty small and in triangles, but they look really pretty. So I wanted one. And then this last one, this last one I hadn't seen on other websites, so I wanted it. And this one is a Haworthia Chocolate. Again, I guess I got a lot with textured leaves this order, but get this off, the color of this one, this almost like dark, like a brownish reddish, I thought was really pretty. I do always like to buy Haworthia with the really thick leaves, so whenever I see one, I feel like I just have to get it. But yeah, I'm happy with this one. It looks really nice. And this is the haul of the day. Again, in terms of size, I'm really happy with that Echeveria. That looks good. The other ones are a little bit smaller than I expected, but they all look really healthy. And you know, it's some plants that I didn't already have. The mystery plant, I happen to be happy with that one. had to go for it since I figured I'd be doing a video about it. I wanted to see what they would be giving. So even though I was a little hesitant to make the purchase since the prices were a little bit higher than what I was used to paying, I'm happy with this purchase and I'll probably order from them again. Okay, Alessia, which one is your favorite? Your very favorite one? The Echeveria? It's an Echeveria minima. Which of the Haworthia is your favorite?
This one.
That one? Why do you like that one? Yeah. Okay, and which one's your third favorite? You really aren't into the Haworthia like mommy, huh? You can pick them up and look at them. That one? That one? Good pick.
Subscribe to learn more with us.